Paalala po sa ating lahat dito, of course, our airing schedules right here on GMA News TV, Monday to Friday at 1 p.m. po. At tuwing Sabado, mas maaga lang ng 15 minutos. Saturday, 12:45 p.m. At everyday volleyball po dito sa GMA News TV, courtesy of the Shakey's V-League. Nasaan po kami naroon ngayon at the arena. In San Juan, Noel Zarate alongside Andre Mullian, Bianca Saldua. Meralco up by 3. Tuano serving. Pomla Soraya on the back set ngayon. Tipachot, nahanap daw ang linya.
Tipachot, most of her attacks, yung opensa niya talagang long. Goes to the end line.
So Tipachot cuts the lead down to 2. But nasa likuran na siya ngayon. So she is serving. Kanika Tipachot. There's April Jose. Tumingin muna kung nasaan si Kainglet. Kainglet ngayon. Hinulog na lamang. Binuhay naman itong si Soraya. Jose, one more time. Quick set. Coco Wang. At kahit anong gawin ni Soraya doon, puntos pa rin para kay Coco Wang.
Jose Edwang finally adjusting to that right height ng set.
Right. And Coco Wang now very comfortable. 17-14. Power Spikers up by 3. Soraya, too near for Tabaquero. Nahulog sa side ng Meralco. Jose ngayon, pumunta kay Phil Kainglet. Kainglet, cross court. Hindi umabot si Chonela. And now a timeout by Nes Pamilar.
Sige natin. Pagkuha naman natin, di ba? Hindi masunod basta tumakas natin. Pwesto na tayo sa tama. Okay?
Tignan po natin muli ang ginawa ni Phil Kainglet in that last play kung saan napatawag ng timeout ito si Nes Pamilar. Yan, no? Pumuilang lang, pahimpapawid at...
talagang she went for that angle, no? That right angle na walang makakakuhang blocker.
Nako-combine mo ba yung cross-court at saka cut-shot? Kaya naman, di ba?
Ang alin?
Cut-shot na cross-court, which is...
si Phil, ginagawa niya yun. Actually, si Phil does
Kaya
that.
natanong ko kung nagagawa mo rin yun eh.
Oo naman. Huwag mo nang tanungin kung how long ago.
Uy, naglalaro ka pa naman ngayon. Pwede ka pa actually mag-guest player dito, alam mo. Hanap tayo. Agata Magayro, nakahanap ng butas. Sino ba yung team na konti pa lang ang player? PNP, pwede. Gusto mo? Alam ko may vacancy pa sa PNP eh. Maganda yan, Lasal connection kay ni Mitch na tuloy. Nag-abot mo kay ni Mitch?
Nag-abot kami ni Mitch.
Yun naman pala eh, the veteran duo. Coco Wang.
Gusto ko young.
Young ba? O the young duo once upon a time. Jen Reyes ngayon, going to Phil Kainglet. Phil Kainglet, this time naabangan ni Jonella. Pero si Coco Wang, nabigyan naman ng regalo.
And itong si Wang, very alert there at the net.
And it's hard to snub the presence of a person who's 6'3".
Exactly. Just take a look at this. Towering presence si Soraya. Nagulat na lang din.
Wala magagawa si Soraya doon kahit na nakaluhod pa si Coco Wang. Here's Soraya ngayon. Binalik sa likuran para kay Tipachot. Umabot si Kainglet. Naitawid naman ni Coco Wang. The crowd loves the effort from Phil. And Phil tries to keep it alive again. Alam mo si Phil, magkakaroon ng second career ito sa libero.
Pwede libero yan. Pati iba yung service reception at defense. And the effort, she came from the left side of the court.
Right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Sort of reminds you of ito si Manila Santos.
Who transitioned.
Nag-transition from open spiker to libero and did very well in both.
That's right, after she injured her shoulder.
Yes. Coco Wang will miss.
Pero itong si Phil, hindi muna. Not just yet. They will need her offense.
In fact, the only injury she's ever suffered in her entire life was this year, yung major ankle sprain niya in the UAAP. Ever! Never pa daw siya napipilay until that time.
Magandang quality ng body parts ni Phil.
Yes.
No injury yet.
Coco Wang with the misreception after it went off the net. Now Oliver Almadro will call a timeout.
Now. Two spikers only. Okay? I want you to have long run. Long run. Taas mo lang. Maliit naman si Tabaquero eh, ha? Okay. Long run. Kay Steph, huwag mong ibibigay kay Steph ng dulo. Dos ang bigay mo para cross court. Steph, expect mo na yan. Now, Now, mag-a-adjust yun si Pau. Hindi magsa-serve dito yun. Galing sa timeout. Mag-aangang serve. So be confident sa receive, ha? Confidence, ha? Guys, one set.
Ngayon ang all-in-one na coach. Coach na scout pa. Alam ko anong gagawin ni Pau. And of course, our tournament director, Mr. Tony Boy Liao, taking in the action dito along with the marami tayong fans today dito sa ating venue at the arena in San Juan. As this lead of Meralco has been trimmed down to just 1 point. Kanina, 4 ang kanilang kalamangan. Coco Wang with that long run. Umandar nga against Tabacero. Well designed by Oliver Almadro.
And itong si Jose at si Wang nakikinig. Yan ang gusto ng coach. When you give an
Right.
instruction, your players respond.
Hindi naman ganun kalit si Angge. Angge is what, 5'8"?
Oh,
Still tall.
Relatively, kung pag-uusapan mo height ni Angge at height ni Coco,
well.
malit na siya.
Coco Wang ngayon. Oh!
Miscommunication between Maizo
At Tipachot.
and Tipachot.
So the Filipino and the Thai players got it mixed up. Now a 3-point lead for the Power Spikers. Tandaan natin na itong koponan ng Cagayan Valley has only given up 1 set the entire tournament so far, and that was against the Philippine Air Force in their first match. Another bad reception from Tipachot. Mukhang nahanap na yata ng Meralco yung Achilles heel. Dito si Kanika Tipachot. It is her reception.
Well, let's see if Wang will aim her serve at that same direction.
Umatras na ng konti si Tabacero para tulungan. But that leaves the entire zone 2 is practically open. And now it is Tabacero who rescues Tipachot. Tabacero now off the block. Not a problem here for Angge.
Angge, Tabacero definitely back in shape.
We're going to have 2 substitutions now coming in. Chi Sayed, the veteran from LaSalle, and Joy Benito will also see action. So these are 2 members, of course, also of the national team. Nalalahok doon sa ating Asian Championships from September 10 to 21 in Thailand. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Tabacero on the serve. Here's the running attack for M. Penetrante. Walang coverage. Napako si Joy Benito sa sahig.
And right now, April Jose really utilizing all her attackers.
And that was just a 1-play substitution as Maizo and Soraya return. Strange para dito kay Nes Pamilar na nakangiti. April Jose, formerly coached by Nes Pamilar in college in FEU. A one-time best setter of the UAP as well. Oh!
Tipachot right from the middle.
Kita mo talaga kung saan galing ito si Tipachot.
And makikita mo, no, sa bawat palo niya, ang wind up ng kanyang spiking arm.
Eh, sabi nga ni Michelle
Really
Gumapo
full.
nung minsan parang aragalang daw. Yung style ni
Yung wind
aragalang.
up, diba?
Yung wind
It's
up.
really full talaga,
Yep.
all the way back.
Soraya. Combination now for Morada trying to go over. Mistimed that one. Here's Aiza Maizo. And Maizo finds the line. And Penetrante will argue this one.
Let's see, they have a 2-point advantage at this point. Kaso, malakas din ang opensa ngayon ng Cagayan
Right.
Valley.
Soraya. Kainglet. Reyes. Morada free ball. Pagkakataon ngayon para sa Rising Suns. Double combination. Great dig by Reyes. Kainglet galing sa likuran. Junela. Here's Aiza Maizo. Blocked, but it will go out. Morada had the right intention, the wrong result.
And look at this, Cagayan. Really holding on. Saka iniisa-isa nila, no? Hindi sila nagmamadali. Very steady, very relaxed.
And there will be a substitution here as Ate Ivy Remulla will see her first action replacing Panay Mercado. So more height up front para dito sa kupunan ng Meralco Power Spikers.
Well, what they're banking on is defense already up front. Dahil yun nga, no, malakas ang opensa ngayon ng Cagayan Valley.
Soraya with another great serve. Phil Kainglet sending it over to Ivy from behind. Here's Soraya ngayon. Aiza Maizo. Blocked by Penetrante pero buhay pa rin ang bola. Ito ngayon si Irish Morada. Makaila Irish Morada. Second ball coming from Aiza Maizo.
Again, the advantage of being a lefty. Pag tinaas ang bola, second ball, so you actually have that option to attack.
At yun nga ang ginawa rito ni Aiza Maizo. Oliver Almadro will stop the bleeding momentarily with this timeout.
Okay, now, this is what we will do. Okay? Mike to sag forward. Feel long ball sa'yo na, marami sa'yo dyan. As much as possible, kung kaya mong receive mo na. Tumulong na tayo sa receive. Okay? Para may chance si Maika makaganyan. Maika, huwag kang matakot. Atakihin. May cover sa'yo. Okay? So, jump lang yung kay Maizo na yon. Never mind. Okay? So, erase na yon. We have to want this. Play. Okay, now. I want play one only. Tawagin mo si M. Kayang-kaya ni M yung gitna ni M. Ivy, block tayo. One.
So, coach, scout, cheerleader.
All in one.
All in one.
Nagmo-motivate, syempre. Lahat yan.
Of course,
all
of course,
part of
of
the
course.
role.
And of course, the crowd here at the arena, oblivious, I think, to what is happening on the court right now. Kung gaano katindi ang volleyball action. This is high-quality volleyball action na napapanood po natin. Tipat shot once again. Kainglet. Ivy Remulla gets to it. Here's Penetrante. Binuhay ni Jonella. Here's Maizo, and the block again goes out. So set point now coming from as far back as 4 points. Itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley.
Dito mo makikita, no, ang maturity sa galaw nitong mga players ng Cagayan Valley. They were down, tama, nakita natin yun. Pero talagang climbing one step at a time, doing everything perfect.
And here is Soraya trying to serve for the set. Quick set ngayon, Penetrante, nandun yung coverage. Regalo is turned back. Here's Reyes. Uy, galing sa likod para kay Phil Kainglet. Munti ka na. Soraya. Maizo Pinakos.
Yun lang ang hindi perfect sa lahat ng ginawa nila.
Oo. Again, the right idea did not get the result she wanted. Now, race to 26. As the service has now gone to the Power Spikers side. Ivy to put it in play.
Good showing by both teams here in the first set.
Nice sharp serve galing kay Ivy. Soraya now. Tipat shot. Power tip. Nagkabanggaan si Kainglet at saka si Moraga. Set point once again for Cagayan Valley. Was that out? That was actually Jen Reyes and Morada ang nagkabanggaan doon. Gwyneth Eulalio.
Tamang positioning ang sinisigurado ngayon ni Coach Oliver Almadro.
And they go deep to Jen Reyes. April Lucen running attack. Penetrante Owano kept alive there by Soraya. Combination play. Tipat shot and Ivy cannot get it done. And the first set belongs to Cagayan Valley, pero ang ganda ng
Ang
volleyball
ganda.
action na nakita natin doon, Han.
Tama, and it's a well-deserved win for Cagayan. Talagang hinabol nila. As we take a look at our shake and play.
Daming options talaga rito. Pero again, Kanika Tipat shot, scoring off of Ivy Remulla, and Cagayan Valley takes set number 1.